Welcome to Semiconductor Insight's comprehensive report on the underwater connectors market. This report is essential for understanding the future landscape of underwater connectors. The global underwater connectors market was valued at $1,608.3 million in 2022 and is expected to reach $1,873.1 million by 2029, growing at a CAGR of 2.2% during the forecast period. This growth is driven by increasing demand in various applications. The global underwater connectors market is segmented by type and applications. Our market research process involves 6 key steps. Each step is crucial for delivering accurate and actionable insights. The underwater connectors market is analyzed by region and country, including North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, Africa, and South America. Key players in the underwater connectors market. These companies are leading the way in innovation and market presence. For more detailed information, visit our website or contact us directly.